Alright, another flight of the Ultra Mini Stick, or Mini Ultra Stick. High rates on everything. This is flying on a China Hobby 3-cell 2200. It's about as big a battery you're going to get in there because of the discharge rating on it. I'm going to go down into a little lower rate in the ailerons. Give it a little smoother flight. She's very aerobatic in the high rates on that. This would benefit from a little lighter pack, I can tell you already. I think normally this is a 50, I think it's a 50C discharge. I have to look when I land. So it's a little bit fatter than the 30C packs. But truth be told, I think the sweet spot on this is probably 1800s. But I've only got a couple of those. Like most people, I got a ton of 2200s. That rudder definitely has some authority to it. It will kick that tail end right around for you. Tell you what, be glad when fall gets here. It's only about 7:30, 7:45 in the morning, and it has got to be 92 degrees out here already. Only a small 4-mile-an-hour wind. I think I need to put a little markings on the bottom of this. Kind of help give it some contrast. All red on the bottom of the fuse and the bottom of the wings. For whatever reason, my old man eyes doesn't see the red up there quite as good. This is another fun little park flyer. She could easily fly in a football field with no problems. Alright, there's full throttle, climbing. Yeah, she kind of fell out. think I got an ant crawling up my leg, biting me. Ow. Still got almost 3 minutes to go, but I think I'm going to come around and land. That's because I got an ant crawling up my leg. Almost stalled it out. I'll tell you what, this in here, you let off of that elevator while you're taxiing, and that nose will dump right over on you. Alright, Mini Ultra Strict from eFlite. Thanks for watching.